What's up guys, and welcome. It's KhoPhi here once again. Today I want to talk about the Cowin E7 noise cancelling headset, the Pro version. So I got this off Amazon and got it delivered here in Ghana using the DHL eShop. If you don't know what that is, you can find the link in the description below to get a discount on your first purchase, where you can buy items on Amazon and have it delivered to you right here in Africa. I've been using this for the past like 1 month. If you're doing research online and wondering whether this is a good headset, headphones, over the ear headphones to get, Bluetooth, I'm not gonna burst your bubble. This is actually a good deal and I've been using it and really like it. So I just wanna share some of the pros of this headset and some of the features I wish it had. So let's get right into it. So I put this headset under 3 categories I want to quickly talk about in this video. This is not going to be a very in-depth review or whatnot, but I want to touch on the build quality. I also want to touch on the sound quality and then the noise cancelling feature that this comes with. So first of all, this is not 100% brand new. I got it as a renewed on Amazon, so that's that. Saved I think $20 on that. Came really in good shape, not worn out at all. It looks great. First of all, the build quality for a $59 item, that is the renewed. If you buy the brand new one, it's going to be somewhere like $89. For a price point like that, I think the build quality is amazing and fantastic. It's plasticky for the most part, but they throw in a bit of leather feeling touch to the top here. It fits well on my head. Fortunately, I have a good head shape. It's comfy when it's on the ear, like it fits in well. My ear is not big enough to cover the cups, so that's one thing there. It's not too tight, neither is it too loose that it would want to fall off. So when it fits on my ear, it fits pretty well. It doesn't seem like something that will easily break unless you want to break it. What I was really worried about initially was the hinges here and the other hinges there, but I think it's pretty solid. There is nothing to worry about that. It only comes with a USB type A, the normal USB for charging, and then it has the headphone jack if you want to plug it into a headphone jack on your computer, on your phone, and then 2 buttons here. So plus, minus, which if you long press is increasing the volume. If you tap once, it goes next or backwards. And then we have the LED indicator here, which also doubles as another clicky thing over there. That is used for pairing and also to pause and play your video, pause and play your audio. So those are the quick functionality when it comes to the buttons available to it, and that's all there is. This is the switch on, switch off switch, and then we have the noise cancelling feature. Before I get to the noise cancelling, let's talk about the sound quality. Sound quality is very good. Again, for the price point. So this is all in relation to the price point. You are getting what you're buying, and for the price of this, the sound quality is fantastic and amazing. It's a solid sound quality, and I would give this easy A. The highlights are great. The bass also sounds amazing. It fits well on the ear, so you get to hear the sound as much as good as possible, and you are not losing any details in there. When the volume is cranked up to the maximum, you can slightly hear a bit of, some highlights going off, and the bars kind of like pounding in there with the drivers, but it's nothing drastic. It's nothing to worry about. You would hardly crank it up to the maximum, so that's about it. When it comes to the noise cancelling feature, again, according to the price point, this is a real good deal, because I remember going into very noisy areas in the market, and I will have this on, crank up the volume a little bit, and I wouldn't hear anything around me. Like, I don't hear anything, nothing. The only thing that, you know, pushes through, it's something like a car horn or something of that sort. But for the ambient noise around me, this cuts everything out. I think this is a great deal. This is a headset that if you're considering buying, if you've seen the reviews on Amazon and thinking, yeah, this is really something I need to invest in, what I'm going to tell you, it's a good deal. You can buy it. I'm happy I bought this and hoping to check out more other headsets and get to compare the sound quality and whatnot. So if this is your first time coming to this channel, make sure to stick around. If you like this content, make sure to like, click the subscribe button. I will definitely be uploading more videos related to headsets and reviewing them and telling you more about them. So thank you for joining me in this one. This is the Cowin E7 Pro active noise cancelling headset. And that's it from me. My name is KhoPhi. Thank you for joining me this one, and hope to catch you in the next one. Bye.